stepping out, the things you have to remember is you have to stay low. Low with your leading shoulder dipping, low, and the weight is transferred now. You are pushing it from the back leg. This, to stay low and then hit, you can hit the ball in the direction which you want to hit. If you are up there, what happens? Just see, my shoulders are up. If I hit it, I won't have the control of the ball. To go up or it may go low and it won't go to the direction which I am willing to play. So, says this, leading shoulder dipping as you move. Hit the ball really hard. You can hit with the middle of the bat. If your head is up, you'll be hitting with the toe part of your bat, which won't have any power. If you want more power in the shot, stay low and then stepping out. One is heel click, second one is crossover back, and third one very rarely there is crossover front. Now, heel click. Heel click is there. I'll take 2 steps and you watch till here I reach. Till here I reach. Till here. Crossover back. The difference is this. Kick will be played only for the balls which are sighted, so that you hit in one direction. When you use the heel click, you can hit only in one direction, that is over the bowler's hand and over. Now when you do this, crossover back, you have the elevation of moving here and there. You can move here, there, straight, over long on, straight over bowler head and over down big wicket. Now first, it's about heel click now. Same thing, your head still and you use your energy. Core is, as I told you, core is the powerhouse of the body. So core is strong, you have more power in the body. Stay there. No dropping. No dropping. Put the hand on the bat. Same way how the bat path goes, same way you have to come down. Over now. Heel click. Now it's crossover back. You can play in any direction. This one direction. Right. Yeah. One more. I can play in any direction. The most stepping out used by the players is crossover back. The best player in this crossover back is what you have seen. He has the nice this and there. He's the best player. And one more, this one step is crossover front. This is played by only 2 players, I think, what we have seen. One is Robin Uthappa and another is Matthew Hayden. Only one shot that few, just to distract the bowlers line and length, it is played. Crossover back. Come. Now you just play those. First we'll start with heel click. Then hold and stay there. And same way the back path should come back the same way. Move in the line of the ball. Right behind the ball, your leg goes right behind the ball, head, everything. Come back. Come back here. Yeah. Back. Yeah. Back. The main thing of this drill is to move behind the ball. You have to come right behind the ball in the straight line of the ball and then hit it. Okay. So same Vince will do it with you. One. For you, I'll do it this way. So that you can move. How far I keep. Come. Go right behind the ball. Move right behind the ball. Yes. Come back. Behind the ball. Superb.